Hello!
Good morning!
Are you having a good day? We are, aren't we?
Yeah!
It's the start of a wonderful day. I hope you're all enjoying it. We're on a campsite today. It's toilet emptying day, so we're on a campsite. Got some wonderful reviews to do today, Mazzy.
Yeah!
Some fans. I got sent 4 fans from Titan. They want us to review some fans for them, so I'm going to do that for you today. Mazzy can't because it's far too complicated and it's a man's job, isn't it? Something like that. So I'll be doing that.
That'll be fantastic!
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. I get where you're coming from. So let's get on with this day. It's going to be beautiful. It's a bit windy, very sunny, very lovely.
Oh, what on earth are you doing?
I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm trying to do a review for Titan.
Yeah, what's gone wrong?
Well, they sent us 4 fans to do reviews on. Now, I'm sorry, Titan, but I can't do a review for you. Can I just point out to people who want us to do reviews on the products, please don't send us anything which is complicated. You know what I'm like. If you do watch my videos, you'll know how useless I am. I am Frank Spencer of the motorhome world. I can't do it. Right, I started with this one, Mazzy. Well, let's box. There it is. This is a little one, yeah?
Yeah?
Started with that. It were all going alright-ish. But
Yeah?
I couldn't get much wind coming out of it. Not brilliant, but it did the job. So then I moved on to its bigger one. It's same as that one, but it's bigger. That broke.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, plugged it in.
Yeah?
Look, see that bit?
Honey!
2 of the things snapped off.
Well, how did you manage that?
Well, it were not to do with me because it's got like a grill on each side. It just happened. I plugged it in and it went round and it started making a clicking noise and then it went... and then it just... So that was that one done. So I thought, you know what? Forget about them. I'll move on to others.
Yeah.
So I went on to this one. Now, this is a fan for your... goes on your fridge to keep it cool. Yeah, on your rack outside. All's going all right with this one. I know that's for your temperature or something.
Yeah.
One's for your power, and one, I don't know what's that bit's for. But instructions aren't very good, and I'm left with this.
What's that?
You've got like a red and a black wire. I don't know where they're meant to go,
Oh my god.
and the instructions don't seem to be telling me where they go, unless I'm just reading it wrong, and I am absolutely thick. I don't know. So I gave up on that one. I thought, well, we've still got one more to go at. I think I just dropped it somewhere. Hang on. A roof one. Yeah, it goes on your roof, and it's like an extractor. It can take the air out and put it in and stuff like that. Sounds fantastic. It probably is fantastic. So please don't take this as a bad review of these products. They might be all right. That one wasn't because it broke. But these 2 bigger ones might be really good products. But again, you've got the same problem. I know for a fact that plugs in there somewhere, because I just saw an hole. Can't find it now. And then at the other end, you've got 2 wires. Don't know where they go. The instructions aren't clear enough. I've been looking all over these instructions. It doesn't say where I put any red and black wires. So, Titan, I'm really sorry I can't give you the product review you want. And, you know, I'm an honest man. If something can be reviewed and it's a good product, I'll show the world. If it's too complicated or breaks, I'll tell people. So, sorry Titan, sorry viewers, because I did tell you I was going to do a review on these. But it's just not for me. It's not for me.
No, put them down before you electrocute yourself.
Yeah, I will put links in the description if anyone's interested. But that's all I can do. I cannot show these working because I don't know what to do, how to set it. I don't know where the wires go. Electrics isn't my thing.
Good.
On a positive note, we've got some trainers to review on another video. Some water shoes.
Much more simpler, hey honey.
Yeah. So sorry. Will you tidy this up, love? I need to go.
What?
Yeah,
No.
I need to go out. I'm a bit stressed. I'm stressed.
Listen, you can't. Babe! No. Is he serious? Oh my god.
So thanks for joining us today. Showed you a few product reviews there. Make sure you join us probably in his next video next time, where we will be reviewing some Alida water shoes.
Yeah.
Very excited about these. So join us next time, guys. We'll see you all later. Goodbye.
Bye.
Won't be able to go wrong with them, will I?
Bet you do.